You will see how to generate the Maven Spring Boot project using the VS Studio Code. Before that, you can check in the description or the info link above to check how to install or how to set up the Visual Studio Code for the Spring Boot application. Let's go ahead and open this Visual Studio Code editor. So I'll just close and or reopen just for your information. So I'll just use the Spring Boot Visual Studio Code here or the VS Studio Code editor. So by default it will show this option. Once you are open this, you can just press the Command Shift P to open the command palette and there type the Spring one. So it will show the options. So previously I used the Gradle one, so it is just the recently used one. But for this video we will create the Maven project, so I'll choose the Maven one. Then it will, as usual, it will ask a Spring Boot version. Just specify the Spring Boot version which you wanted to use. For this example we will 2.5.4. Then of course select the language Java, then specify the group ID whatever you have mentioned for your demo one. I'll just demo example, then I'll mention the vscode Maven, then specify the packaging format jar, select the Java version. I'll choose the 11, then select the different dependency. So here it is showing me the last use. So in the last example I choose the Spring Boot DevTools, Lombok and Spring Web. So I just select this option. I don't want to select again the three options, so I'll just select the same one. Okay, then it will ask me to generate the project location. So I'll go ahead and generate into the my demo project location. Once this is generated, it will ask me to open the project. So it will open the project automatically into the VS Code. So once this project is available, you are able to see the structure and everything. Okay, so if you go ahead and open the pom.xml, we are able to see the specified dependency, the group ID, the artifact ID is specified along with the Java version. Then if you scroll down a bit, I'll just mention the dependency analytics we need to install. The dependencies which I have just mentioned: Spring DevTools, Lombok, and the Spring Boot starter test, which is the default one, and the web one we have just added. If you go ahead and check the Java code structure and the resources, everything is available. If you can just go ahead and open this one, yeah, main application, so it will show all the code. So you can use this run option, or if you're more familiar with the terminal, so you can use the terminal and run the application. So we'll just use this one option to run the application, the right hand side, top right hand side corner option to run the application. If you're more familiar with the command line, then you can use the mvnw and the Spring Boot run. As usually we have this option to run the Spring Boot application. So for now we'll wait to run the application. So it is using the Java extension to run, because this is the Java code. And the best thing about it, it will show you the hierarchical things, like what kind of things are there, and you can directly create the multiple Java classes as well. If I had to just create the controller, let's say if I just wanted to create the hello world controller.java, so you can create the file itself here. It will show that file here. Okay, and if you wanted to just write on any kind of a code, you can just use the autocomplete one, like a main method. So it will auto-populate those things and it will show all the things. So if you wanted to use the Java related stuff, you can install the different plugins. It is providing very good support for the containerized platform like Docker as well. So that's it for the this video. We'll wait for to run the application, or else I'm just recancel it. So this is about the it, or you can use the Maven command as well, like maven install to install all the dependencies if you want, or if you have the more familiar with the command, then play with the terminal and command. It will give you the more room or if you are more familiar with the UI things and if you're interested in the button kind of a thing, then go ahead and use this one button. So that's it for now. I hope you will like this. Thank you.